Today we're going to learn how to crochet these pretty decorative cords or straps. We're going to start with a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine. I hold the yarn between my fingers, the tail end on the front. Then I take the yarn, twist it up to make a loop. I'll pinch this loop, insert my hook from the front, grab the working yarn, turn my hook down and pull through the loop, and then yarn over and pull through your smaller loop, and that's our magic ring. Now we're going to start the cord by chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to make 2 partial double crochets. So I'm going to yarn over, insert our hook into the circle, pull through, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 chains on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, got 2 left. Now you're going to yarn over, insert into the circle again and pull through, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops on our hook. Now we got 3. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3. That's one side of our chain here. I'm going to chain 2, and now we're going to do the partial double crochets 3 times. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the ring, pull through, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Yarn over again, insert into the circle, pull through, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Gonna do that one more time. Yarn over into the circle, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. There we go. Now we've got 4 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over and pull through all 4. Now we're going to turn our work over and slip stitch into the center. So to slip stitch, all you want to do is insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through the loop straight away. And this is our first cluster made. At this point we're going to pull on the tail end and tighten our magic ring like so. So this is our first cluster made. So the second cluster and all subsequent clusters are going to go like this. Going to chain 2, yarn over, insert into the circle, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 on your hook, you yarn over, pull through all 3. Now chain 2, and now we're going to do the partial double crochets 3 times. Yarn over, into the circle, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, into the circle again, pull through 2 loops on your hook. One more time, yarn over, into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And now we're going to yarn, we've got 4 loops on the hook, going to yarn over, pull through all the loops. So you see on the right hand side we're only doing the partial double crochet twice, whereas on the left hand side you're doing them 3 times. It's because this chain 2 that we're starting the next loop with counts as the 3rd partial double crochet. So they are symmetrical, but on the right hand side we end up pulling through 3 loops at the end, and on the left hand side through 4 loops at the end. So we finished the second cluster. We're going to turn over, going to slip stitch into the center. So insert your hook, pull through and pull straight through. And that's our second cluster loop here. So let's do a few more together. So chain 2. Now we're going to yarn over, insert into the circle, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert into the circle, pull through 2 loops only, and when you have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now we're going to do chain 2, and now we're going to do 3 partial double crochets on the left side. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2, and last time yarn over, pull through 2. Now we've got 4 on. See, so these are our 3 partial double crochets, and that is the loop from the chain 2 that was bridging the 2 sides together. Yarn over, pull through all 4. Turn your work over and slip stitch into the center. There we go, it's already looking good. Right, chain 2 to start our next one. Yarn over, into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2. And one more time, pull through 2. Now you've got 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to start on our left hand side. You can move these over if there isn't enough space for you to insert your hook into the center. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, through 2 again, and last time. Now we've got 4 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4. Turn your work and slip stitch into the center. Now I'll do one last one with you. Chain 2, yarn over and pull through 2. One more time. Now we have 3 on our hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3. Move it over a little bit. Chain 2. And now 3 on the left hand side. Yarn over and pull through 2. Our second one. And third one. Now we have 4, yarn over, pull through all 4, turn your work over and slip stitch into the center.